It's rice egg.
What kind of surprise egg?
Pet shop.
Yeah, it's Littlest Pet Shop.
I want to open it.
Alright, come on.
Pet shop. I want to open it.
Let's open it.
Okay. Wow.
Wow. That's a lot.
Okay.
How many blind bags did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4,
There's one more.
and 5.
5. How about Fashems? How many Fashems did you get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow!
I have a lot of them. Can I open them?
Alright, Charlie, it's time to open.
Okay. What is Wow, it's my favorite. It's cute. Look, it's skinned like this.
Wow.
It's all like this.
Oh, it's stretchable
Yeah.
and squishy. Okay, Charlie, let's open the next one.
Okay. What?
Wow, it's Russell.
It's Watson. Look, it's orange.
Orange. Can you
Look,
see the
it can
face?
turn like this.
Alright, let's open the next one.
Okay. No. It's tight. Oh!
Whoa. Who is that?
I don't know what his name. A leopard over here.
Oh, ponytail, right?
Ponytail. It's like a monkey.
Alright,
I
this
think-
is the third one that we got. So far, no repeat, which is good. Look at that ponytail.
That's ponytail.
So squishy.
It's so
Boink,
good.
boink, boink. Okay, Charlie, let's open the next one.
Okay. No! No, Daddy!
Why? Okay, Charlie, let's open the next one.
Okay. Let me tell.
Alright.
Okay.
Whoa.
It's again!
It's a repeat. Oh no.
They're not the same.
They are the same.
Yeah. Not again.
Okay, let's open the next one.
No!
It's the same again? Oh no.
Oh no.
Alright, let's open the new one.
Oh!
Oh no.
No. It's not.
It's not good?
No.
Okay, it's okay. We still have 3.
Oh. Okay, it's open. No. Ah! That's the same again.
Oh no.
That's not.
That's the third one.
That's the third one. Open the next one.
Alright, come on. Last 2, Charlie. Last 2.
That's one more.
again. Oh my gosh, it's 4 of them. Open the last one. Hope it will not be the same. Oh my gosh. Are you excited?
Oh!
Oh no. Who is it?
That's not what's wrong.
It's Russell again. Oh no.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay, it's time to playtime.
Oh, you want? Would you like to open first the blind box?
Okay.
Okay, come on.
I think that's not the same of that.
Yeah, it's different. It's blind box.
Oh, not. I think that's a teapot.
There's a teapot. There's a cup. So this is what we got. It's a cat. And there's a
Teapot
with sugar. Let's open the next one.
Okay. I think I hope not the same.
I hope it's not the same. Yeah. Me too.
Oh, not.
It's not the same. Yay!
It's the one that's ice cream. See, it can fit.
Yeah.
I think I'll read this.
This is what we got from the second blind bag. It's a cat.
That's not a cat, that's a dog.
Is it a dog? I
Yeah.
think it's a cat. Sitting on. What is this, Charlie? Ice cream cup?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. That's cute, right? It's
Yeah.
very cute.
It's very cute.
Alright, let's open.
Okay.
That's the third blind bag, right?
Oh, okay. I think you hope not the same.
Hope it will not be the same.
Oh, I think that's a bird.
It's a bird?
Yeah.
Show it to me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a bird.
It can fly. That's a pumpkin.
Okay, so this is what we got from the third blind bag. It's a bird. It's something in his head.
It went to my
And
Jukebox.
there's a
went to my
cup.
ice cream. Toy.
You're gonna sit there. That's the fourth blind bag.
That's a fourth, not the one. It's not this. Oh no.
Is it missing?
That's the paper. What is very cute. Ouch! I dropped it.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
So this is the fourth character. It's the same with the other one, just different color.
That's cute.
Alright, Charlie, let's open the last one.
Okay. Let's open the last one. Let's open the last one. I think hope not the same.
Oh, what's that? Is that a shoe?
Yeah. Oh, I got it. I got this.
Alright, so this is the last character that we got.
Only.
And she's holding a pen. And there's also a boot. She's gonna sit there inside. Wow. These are all the characters that we got from the blind bags. It's good that we don't have a repeat, right, Charlie?
Uh-huh.
Look at that, they are very cute.
Hey, they're stuck. They're stuck.
Oh no. They're stuck together.
Hello, Daddy.
Hi.
Hello, hello, hello. Oh, they're stuck in the mud. They're stuck in the white hair. It's honey. Oh, it's sticky. Once upon a time, there's a little lion eating a pony.
Look
I
here.
only have a piece of head. Yes, the cat.
It Put it there.
Yeah. Oh, another one.
Oh no.
Bye. Watch this. Or this. This one. Bye. Look. Can bunny.
Okay. Who's that, by the way?
Bob.
Bob.